So you have your media files organized and you have Plex server running. You want to copy your new files into your Plex server, and if you do that by using just copying and pasting from your internal drive to the network map drive, you can do that, but it's very slow. Actually, it's like 10 Mbps depending on your router. Now there is an easy way, or a shortcut way where you can transfer your files from your internal drive to the Plex server in very high speed. So for that you need a portable, or you can use USB flash drives. First you connect it to your PC, and you can see it's 40 gigabytes, and in our case we have some files that we would like to transfer to our Plex server. So copy and paste it here. Now remember that to make this method work, your flash drive or removable hard drive has to be formatted in NTFS file format, because that's one of the formats that the FreeNAS server can work with. If you have other files format like exFAT or FAT32, those things will not work with the FreeNAS server. So make sure that you format your flash drive or your portable with NTFS file format. Now the whole thing is copying with 44 Mbps. The reason is that this is a USB 3 drive, so the speed is kind of okay. I guess the speed can go up to 100, but in this case this is a very old and very small portable drive, so 47 is the fine thing. Let us wait until this copy finishes. In the meantime, let me talk about how this whole thing is going to work. So the concept is that you copy all of your media files into this portable drive, and the portable drive is in NTFS format, right? Now you're gonna insert, connect this portable drive directly to your FreeNAS server using the USB 3 port. The server will recognize the whole thing, and then from your remote PC you can import disk using there's an option in FreeNAS which is called import disk. So you can use that option to copy the whole content from your portable to the server. So this is the way we're going to do our processing. And this is, copying is blazingly fast. Actually, I think it's gonna be 100 megabytes per second. So, yeah, the whole process is pretty fast. The alternatives, I've looked into forums and online. There are a couple of alternatives to do this. One of them is using switching. It's called you want to buy a switchboard which costs like $150. So that's an expensive option for me, so I'm not going to go there. I have copied a couple of terabytes using this whole process. The whole thing, took me maybe 10 hours to do so. Of course, I was doing also the file organization in the middle, so I was saving some time. In any case, it looks like our files are completely copied to this portable. Now I'm going to remove this portable drive from my desktop. Okay, now I'm going to connect this to my FreeNAS server. Okay, I have connected it. Now let's see how to copy. first let's go into our control on the FreeNAS server. Let's log in, use the legacy web interface. Okay, now click on storage, click import disk, and you can see there's your 40 gigabytes of hard drive. Select the files. These are the 4 file types that you can use, or the FreeNAS server can interpret or work with. We luckily have NTFS. The other things are not supported in the Windows machine. So now here's the destination. This was I want to put it on the Naruto Shippuden. This is the file, and I clicked here, so the whole thing is copied here. Now you clicked import disk, and you can see the whole thing is started to import. It's gonna take a couple of minutes, and after it finishes,